welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Leroux Raspberry Liqueur. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Matt, can you tell me a little bit more about this bottle that you sent me?
I can. It's a beautiful raspberry liqueur. The Lorex, or how the hell I pronounce it, it's their Malinowy Raspberry Liqueur. I got this while I was in college. I paid, I think, $5 for this. So this is at least probably 18 years old, which is fine. And you can see how much I drank out of this. Not much. All right. It is a distillery that's over 100 years old that started in Belgium. It's all kosher, and it's the best-selling. They also make the best-selling blackberry brandy in the entire world of liqueurs. It's also made in the U.S. now. That's all the history they have. They have nothing else on their website. I'm like, you are useless. So apparently they just make a bunch of low-end liqueurs that apparently also sell really well and have no history beyond, hey, we started in Belgium and now I make in the U.S. So that's all I got. So let's see what we think of it.
Okay.
It smells like raspberries. Shocking. Like Jolly Rancher raspberry.
See, and wow. Okay, yeah, I'm getting that as well. The memory that came flooding into my mind as soon as I put my nose into this glass is Snow Creek Berry Boone's Farm.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Like, I just got this memory of me being way too young to be drinking alcohol and buying bottles of Snow Creek Berry.
Oh my gosh, you're right. It does smell like Boone's Farm. That's hilarious.
Like, just that wine that's been overly proofed.
Yeah, I mean, it's 15%, so 30 proof, so nothing. It's still, I think, is higher than Boone's Farm, but still.
Not much, though.
It smells, to me, I think it smells good. I think this would be a great snow cone filler, personally.
This smells very sweet, like a snow cone additive. Yes, I could see this going over ice very, very smoothly.
Very much so. Yeah, so anything you need a raspberry for martinis or, whatever. It's a nice raspberry thing. Also great with cheesecake. Beautiful over that. Things like that. All right, let's see what it tastes like.
Oh, so sweet.
Very sweet.
Oh, so sweet.
Sugary raspberry. Like Jello shots.
Yeah.
Really.
The
Nice.
finish
It's
isn't
cool.
as bad as the first blush. It kind of mellows out after you swallow.
Yeah. It really is like Jello. It's weird. Not bad. It tastes fine. It's just kind of thin.
But like a
That's
Jello
amazing.
shot, where it's already kind of thin as it is, it's not
Exactly.
really a Jello gelatin.
Yeah, it's the Jello
kind of
shot.
already a little mushy. I don't get much beyond just that. It's raspberry and sweetness, like that. Like
Yeah, that's it. There's
sugar-covered
nothing else to it.
raspberries.
Yeah, it's like a raspberry hard candy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to mellow this out with some seltzer water.
All right.
And see if a second sip is possible. Oh, it's still so sweet, even diluted down quite a bit. But the flavor is really fantastic. They nailed raspberry.
Mm-hmm.
It's raspberry plus sugar, but they nailed the raspberry component of it.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's an old brand. They like I said, their history is just they don't really tell you much. They do make a lot of good, cheap liqueurs that are bottom shelf, but they're actually really good and dirt cheap. Like I think the most expensive one I ever bought from them was like $12. Now most of mine are really old from them because it's an old brand. And let's be honest, this is not exactly the most appealing label in the whole wide world.
Or
But hey,
bottle.
old. It's just meh. You know me. This is not an exciting bottle to me. It's got this cool little rivets and whatever, but I mean, it's whatever. But I bought it because it's got raspberries. I needed a raspberry liqueur and it was cheap.
Is it glass or is it plastic?
No, it's glass.
Okay.
I don't even know if they make plastic. I don't think I've ever seen. I've got several different things from them. I don't think any of them are plastic. I think they're all glass that I have. So
Well, at least they're spending the money on that part.
yep. So we'll get that going for us. It's good. I like it.
All right. I'm going to go out with some whiskey.
No surprise.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. We're also live every Monday night for your viewing enjoyment. Until next time. keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I have a lot of this brand of shit.